Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, guys, we are going to see eBay seller sold items. So you can check if our items has been sold, we can filter them, and we can check which one has been paid, which one has been not, and what kind of buyer has been paying us, when did he pay us, and the last history for like 30 days, not last 90 days, and 1 year of sold, so we can get like an idea and statistic and results, so we can analyze our market and how it goes. So I'm going to click on this button, my eBay, and right through there, guys, what we are going to actually do is pretty simple. We are simply going to click on selling, and from there, we are going to see sold, as you can see. So once you click on here, you're actually going to see all the orders that have been going through your account as a seller from the beginning to the end. Just as a reminder, make sure to change the period as you want, in case you didn't find any or some specific orders. Just make sure that you have checked this period, because you could be doing last 24 hours and you were looking for an order that has been gone like for a month or 7 days. So make sure to check this to see actual orders. And also you can filter it for a month to analyze the market and see for the last few months like what order or what product has been sold the most. And this is just like a tool to show you first that you got orders and to check orders and confirm them. Second is basically to actually analyze the market and see how it's going. So we can see, for example, this order is not working, then you're gonna stop it and try to find alternative solutions for that product. For example, replace it or basically work on it to make it more appealing and work on the ads for it. So yeah, guys, that was it. See you guys in the next tutorial.